Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping, and today I'm going to show you how I have refurbished this tray that I got for free in a gift basket to make it look a little nicer. So stay tuned. Here is a before shot of the tray that I'm going to try to refurbish a little bit. You can see in here it's got some discoloration and some scratches. And then on the side you can see it's kind of worn down here. And then the bottom I don't think was ever really finished very well. It just has like a little coating of the stain on it. But this was actually a free tray that came with a gift basket that someone gave to us. And you can see it has some grapes on the front. I think there was some wine and cheese in here. So this was free, and therefore, anything I do to it to make it look better, it doesn't really cost me much. I have all these materials that I'm going to show you already. So I'm basically just trying to make it look better so I can use it in some of my decorating. So here are the items I'm going to try using in this makeover project. I have some nitrile gloves here to wear so my hands don't get stained. I have a furniture polishing cloth. I have some wax paper that I'm going to put down on my counter. I have this Method Daily wood cleaner that I get at Target, and I use this on my kitchen cabinets. I'm going to use this to clean off the tray. And then I have 3 items I'm going to try to use, see which one works best. I have a wood polish, a Method wood polish that says it conditions and revitalizes. I have this Old English scratch color for dark woods. This is more of a walnut color, but you can use it on other types of furniture too. Then I also have this bry wax or brie wax. I'm not sure how exactly they say it, but I actually have this for our rustic pine furniture. This box looks like it's somewhat pine, so I'm going to maybe see how this looks on the tray as well. So I may use one or all of these. I'll probably start on the bottom and see how they look, since that won't show, and then I'll pick one or more and do the rest of the tray. Okay, so first I'm going to try the dry wax, and I'm going to try it on this area here that looks to be a little scratched and see what it does. So it doesn't really, it covers the scratches a little bit, but not a lot. So in this area here, I'm going to try the Old English scratch cover and see how that works. Okay, so that actually comes out darker. So I think I'll probably go with that, but let me show you what this wood polish looks like now. Just going to squirt a little on here. So that makes a nice rich tone. What I may do, I think, is take the scratch cover, put that on, and then put the polish over the top of them and see how that works. Because I think the Method wood polish is actually bringing out a nice tone. But whether it actually dries to that same tone, I don't know. We shall see. So I'm going to get started. But I'm going to cover up the bry wax first because it's very smelly. It smells like really strong shoe polish. Okay, so here's the tray after I've applied the Old English. You can still see that discoloration there a little bit, but it's a much richer color all over. I didn't do the bottom, I only used that for the test spots, but I'm really happy, particularly down here. It filled in a lot of the bare wood that was showing. So now I am going to take the wood polish, the Method wood polish, and spray that on as well. And I'm going to spray it on my cloth and then put it onto the piece to protect it. Okay, I'm going to let that dry a bit now, and then I'll come back and I'll take this clean area, well, relatively clean area of the cloth, and I'll buff it one more time just to make sure everything has come off of it. But I think it looks a lot better. I will try to insert a picture of the before and after of the tray so you can see the difference between the two. Thanks for joining me today as I made over my free tray from a gift basket. I hope you found this information useful and helpful to you if you have a similar type of tray or object that you've received for free that you want to do a little bit of renovation on. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking the link down below. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Thanks again, and I can't wait till you join me next time. Bye-bye.